my goodness.
How you feel?
We came to a dog cafe and I already...
안 돼. 기다려. 엎드려. 그렇지. 기다려.
I gotta be there.
봐봐. 기다려. 기다려.
Is this one? This one him?
Hello. Again, I didn't record an ending to that video, but we went to this dog cafe and it was super cute, and I hope you guys liked this little adventure. Unfortunately, the next video I have to upload after this one will be the last one of the Korea series. I'm home now, as you can see by my boys back there. So I will be working on new videos and stuff. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Also, I'm opening my Redbubble account. I'm gonna be having some prints up there. You can get them in stickers if you want, but they'll be up there, and I'll talk more about that probably in future videos. So, yeah, thanks for watching.